The Nuno Academy presents a special event. With Nuno, the Gold Cycle creator, and Rita Ventura as co-host. For the first time, a practical webinar for Healy, an online event on January the 22nd, 2022. Worldwide event, come to change your life. The cosmic influences on our health. Learn how to use Healy to restore your natural cycles in a simple and practical way. Learn to do this reconnection step by step. Learn on which day your new cycle should start. Use CellPower Water to boost the action of Healy. For the first time, a webinar where you will learn step by step how to reconnect to your natural cycle with Healy and CellPower Water. Come find your answers. A unique event on January the 22nd, 2022. Limited registrations.